Hi there, I'm Julia. In this video, I'll walk you through the account analytics section on Circleboom Twitter, and especially the feature I personally rely on the most, the Twitter Circle Generator. Once you log into Circleboom and click on the analytics icon from the left menu, you'll discover a full suite of tools that help you truly understand your audience. Let me quickly show you what each one lets you do. Followers growth. By seeing how your follower count evolves day by day, you can spot patterns, like what type of content brings in the most new followers. Followers characteristics. By checking if your followers are verified, inactive, or bots, you can decide who to engage with and who to clean up from your audience. Following growth and characteristics. Track your own following habits and see what types of accounts you're interacting with. If you're following too many inactives, it's a sign to clean up. Language and gender stats. These give you a better idea of who your audience really is. By seeing their preferred language or gender distribution, you can adjust your tone and content. Interest cloud. This visualizes the top topics your followers care about. I use this to generate tweet ideas that resonate more, and it works. Best times to post. Circleboom shows when your followers are most active based on real engagement data. By posting at the right time, you increase your chances of getting seen. Now let's talk about the one that truly changed how I engage on Twitter, the Twitter Circle Generator. This isn't just a cool graphic, it's a strategic tool. The Twitter Circle Generator groups your followers based on their interaction levels with your content, like replies, likes, retweets, or profile visits. You'll see who your most loyal and engaged followers are, who interacts occasionally, and who's just silently following you, or not engaging at all. Why is this powerful? Because once I saw who was in my inner circle, I started interacting more intentionally. I replied to their tweets, tagged them in shoutouts, even tailored content to their interests, and the results were incredible. My tweets reached more people, engagement rose, and those users often helped amplify my content further. In short, the Twitter Circle Generator gave me clarity. Instead of guessing who mattered, I had actual data and used it to grow smarter, not just louder. If you're serious about improving your presence and building stronger connections, this feature is a game changer. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy circle booming!